Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are going to take a second look at the Champomatic semi-automatic petrol lighter. I'm getting ready to list this lighter to sell it, and I had done a little bit of polishing to the case, nothing major. I don't even really think it changed anything about the lighter, but just in case, I wanted to go ahead and do another video, and also just to kind of give an idea of really how good a lighter this is. Thing sparks well and seems to light nearly every time. You can see, according to the Toledo Bin website, it is a steel case, and those are the markings that you see there, is where the chrome plating has worn off of the steel case. At least I believe that to be true. Frank Dutton on his VCL Toledo Bin site had indicated that these were steel cases, and that certainly doesn't look like brass to me. You can see there it says Champomatic, US Pat pending. Kind of at an odd angle to be lighting that. Maybe I need to go get my stool. So you can see the windshield is built into what is a removable part of the lighter. You got the slots here to allow it to breathe so you don't get the vapor lock there. Nice little feature. And this is not an easy task for me with the problems that I have with my fingers. So I'm going to try to do this all here in one attempt. So you depress that little button, and the windscreen comes off. Very sturdy, robust mechanism, has plenty of force behind that spring. You can see it has the bottom plate like a lot of Champ lighters do, where you can just squirt your fuel right there through the slot. Maybe not quite as bad on evaporation as some other lighters. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text. Post it on social media. Send it in an email. however it is that you're communicating with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms. That'll be Dependable Flame and DependableFlame.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. I would categorize this not only as a semi-automatic lighter, but also as a slipcase lighter, and that is how it is fueled. And then when you get ready to put your windscreen back on, that fits down over the back against the base of the insert. To press your button, and everything is right back into place. Whoever buys this lighter is going to be getting a good one. Mike could use to have that wick pulled up a little bit. So not the most aesthetically pleasing of lighters, in that it does have these marks where it lost the plating, and I imagine it was from use of the grip somehow, the function of the grip. Anyway, it is a very ergonomic and user-friendly lighter to employ. Make sure you check out the DependableFlame.com store on eBay, where every purchase that you make will benefit HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, with at least 10% going to that organization. And we also run 3 penny start auctions each month. Free shipping. The high bidder gets the lighter. The organization gets all 100% of those penny start auctions. So make sure and follow us on eBay so you get the notification when those new listings come up. You don't want to miss those. Those are good lighters that you'll have an opportunity to get at a very reasonable price to add to your collection. As this one will be here in just a day or so, as soon as I get it listed. I don't know, I haven't really looked to see what they normally sell for, or when they have sold on eBay, how much they've sold for. I don't believe there are a ton of them out there, but we'll see. I'm guessing probably $40–50, somewhere in that neighborhood, but that's just a guess before I even do any kind of research on it. But I like the lighter a lot, and will certainly be on the lookout for more of them. It's kind of short, so you do have to watch it. It can jump out of your hand in a hurry. All in all, though, a very well executed design. I believe this lighter and the design for this lighter was patented by Arthur Dubsky. Until next time.